Ryan here for Silly Reviews. We're going to take another trip back in time with this stock radio review. This is a 1998 Dodge Caravan. That's a Dodge, Plymouth, Chrysler, Daimler product here. This van has been sitting up for approximately 2 to 3 years. It was bought many years before that. Let's take a look at the radio here. Got your traditional factory radio here. I don't even see a tape deck. So this must have been the most base of a base model. Lighting is not so great, but let's look at the features here. We've got a volume knob with a balance knob behind it. We've got a fading and tuning knob. So I see a pattern here. You double up on your knobs here, and that way you can save some real estate. This appears to be a double den radio. Maybe not. It's not that big. Got AM, FM, something you can set. Rhythm is the bass. Bass is the treble. Select button, which I don't know what that's for. 5 resets. Got your Chrysler logo right there. You take a pin and set the hours and the minutes on the clock. That really is it for this radio. I don't think in 1998 there was any type of CD changer on a cheap van like this. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. We're gonna see if we can take a listen to this radio. Again, very hard to focus in here because of how dirty things are and how the light is reflecting, but let's go ahead and put the key in. Surprisingly, after sitting up for years, this van starts, runs, and drives. But does the radio work? Uh-oh, no lights coming on. Ooh, that starter sound awful. Go ahead and turn off this air conditioner. Try again. Is it gonna run? And it's running. Now, it appears all these gauges don't work, so that's not good. We have a guy, this really cool guy who fabricates old vehicles. He bought a limo from us, chopped the top, boop bop, and he makes floats out of them and all kind of things that benefit children. Don't know exactly how it works, but we've got a clock. It's a nice clock. It says 12 o'clock. Which is almost accurate right now. It's about noon. So I'm going to set the balance here to the middle. I'm going to set the fade here to the middle. And when you go to the center, it does kind of click in place, which is really nice. We're going to power it on. I like these controls here. It's pretty easy to use. We're going to power on. Oh, wow, that's old school. You don't even push this in. You click it and it comes on. So I hear something, so it is going to come on. Let's go FM. That button works. We're going to seek. Antenna does not appear to be working. Actually, I don't think... No, there is an antenna on here. You can't see it, though. Let's see if we can turn on these windshield wipers. Oh, that's awful. That's awful. But there is an antenna. It doesn't seem to be picking up channels. That's going to make this difficult to hear the sound. But there is static. I'm going to make an attempt to manually tune. God, I love the feedback. I love the tactile feel of a tuning knob. That click, 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 click. Oh, man, that is so cool. Let's see if we can pick up a radio station, a local station with a strong signal. Nope. Let's try another one with a really strong signal. It's WWL out here, 105.3 FM. Bummer. So we're just going to have to judge this based on the sound of the static and how much good sound can we get out of the static. We're going to pump the bass up all the way. I should have brought my earplugs. We're going to pump the treble up all the way. And we're going to crank her up. Whoa! All right, that's enough. I could hear some potential in here. Looks like in this van there's only 4 speakers, unless there's some in that lift gate. I do not know, but looks like a 5x7 there. Got maybe some 5-inch, 6-inch, something like that. Top of the dashboard. Let's go around back. I'm not sure if I'll be able to open that back glass. I don't see a button to do it. I probably need the key, but go ahead and turn it off. Go see if it's 6 speakers or 4 speakers in a 1998 Caravan. I don't know how to open this. Oh, down here. Duh. Oh, it does open. And are there speakers? There are not. So 4 speakers in here. That leaves something to be desired. I'm going to give this 1 star. 1 thumb up, 1 thumb up. one thumb down. Thumb up is because I just love that old tactile feel of a radio like this. But we're gonna have to give it one thumb down because with the antenna hooked up, why doesn't it work? I don't know. But there you go. Factory radio review, 1998. Dodge Caravan. Is this a Dodge Caravan or is it a Chrysler Caravan? What does it say on here? It says Dodge. Lamar, Dodge, Chrysler, Plymouth, Jeep, I'm sure. So pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed this. This is the second installment of Factory Radio Reviews. I am Ryan for Silly Reviews. I hope you maybe consider subscribing. I enjoy comments. That's my favorite. Leave a comment. Did you ever have a van like this? Did you ever have a radio like this? Did you used to jam it? Let me know about it. And I do hope I see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Ryan here. Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.